In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up my Raspberry Pi 4. Let's get it out of the box. This is my newly written SD card. And next is a power supply. This is a USB-C power supply that is rated for the Raspberry Pi. This is the official power supply of the Raspberry Pi 4. Let's connect the USB-C. And let's connect it to the power source. Next to connect is the HDMI cable. This big connector will be for the screen, and this small one will be for the Raspberry Pi 4. Let's connect it now. Then you will connect this big HDMI at the back of my monitor. Now we need a mouse so that we can navigate once we get the Raspberry Pi started. Next should be this, a keyboard. We cannot live without a keyboard. Let's connect it now. This is also USB. Now that the USB mouse and keyboard are connected and the other cables, I think we can now start it. There you go. It's now booting up. Here's a Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, now we're on the Raspberry Pi desktop. I'll change this to United States. Setting location. Then we need to change our password. Raspberry Pi there. Let me type my password here. Now duplicate to confirm the new password. Just need to click next. Then I will connect later, so I will just skip this process. We will skip the update, and then we will now start the device again. This is the video of my initialization of the RPi. I hope it helps you, and please subscribe on my channel. Bye!